Two Israeli drones crash in Lebanon, Hezbollah. Hezbollah denies shooting down Israeli drones. Israeli jets hit Iranian targets in Syria. Macron, G7 against Iranian nuke. Saudi-led coalition downs Houthi drone fired at airbase. Saudi to decide on UAE role in Yemen, Minister. Daesh attack kills 6, injures 11 in North Iraq. US warns of continued ethnic cleansing of Rohingya. Rohingya prefer death to life without rights in Myanmar. Rohingya restless in India as deportation threat looms. US and Taliban peace parley resumes in Doha. Indian opposition sent back from Srinagar airport.